And I miss you.
What's up, No Pros? Welcome back to the channel, and today, as you can see, we got the new rims and tires on the Jeep Rubicon, and it is much better than stock. Take a look. This stone right here, she still struggles a bit with the new wheels and tires. She wants to climb it, but I don't know why she can't complete this challenge here. I have to figure it out, but maybe I'll turn the rock around or try a different approach. But yeah, that rock right there is a challenge for her. Okay guys, so this is another part of the course where she struggles, as you can see, but for the most part these tires are excellent and I do recommend them. The link will be down in the description below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Y'all be easy.